So if you put your visor down, you can see it, what it would look like in real life.
So we're working in partnership with ECITB to encourage young people into welding. So we're taking augmented reality welders into the schools to see if they would be interested in a career in welding.
Because you've got to imagine that there's a flame coming out here, about that big. It's all about like trying the kit out, find out if you actually like welding, because it can be quite daunting.
You put on a welding helmet, it's so heavy, but that's actually really high graphics, and you have the tools in your hand, it feels like you're almost there.
Well, you have to have a steady hand, so they showed us like the angles of it, how you have to hold it in like certain places, and how you can't go too fast.
If you go too fast, it ruins your score. If you go too slow, it ruins your score. If you go too far away, it ruins your score.
There's no worry about making a mistake or accidentally burning themselves or something similar. It allowed me to get the perfect angle and tell me what I'm doing wrong and what I need to improve on.
At the moment there's an industry shortage for welders, and we want to increase the diversity within that population as well, to try and encourage more females within that industry.
So see, if that was to be evened up, you probably might have gotten a 97.
It was really good. I feel like it's taught me that not everything can be done by AI, and some things just need done by humans.
I think it's been a great opportunity for them. I think if you've got hands-on equipment, the machinery is excellent. It gives you a very realistic idea of what it's actually like.
You could do like shipbuilding, maintenance work, oil rig work. There's a lot of good jobs with high pay.
Forth Valley College work with a number of employers who have fabrication welding as an apprenticeship. So if you're interested in an apprenticeship, you can contact Forth Valley College or have a look on the website to see what companies we work with.
I want to be a mechanical engineer when I grow up, and I thought welding could be pretty useful for being that, because I like the hands-on stuff. Like the learning stuff, that's alright, but when you're actually doing it, it's really fun.